This is the PaloAlto firewall running on software version 12.12. We will try to downgrade the software version to 11.0.0. And to do that, you will have to click on device, scroll down, left hand side, you will have to click on software. If your firewall is not fetching the releases, make sure you click on the check now icon towards the bottom. And that should basically fetch all the releases. You have two options already checked. One is the preferred release, another one is the base releases. I would always recommend you to go to the base release before going to a specific version or minor version. So in my case, I'm going to go for 11.0.0. Right now we are at 12.1.2. Let's try to do that. You can do it manually using the upload option as well. So you can download this particular release and upload it manually, but we are doing it automatically using the repository fetch. Make sure you have the proper DNS setup inside the services here. For example, in my case, I have 8.8.8.8 updated here for the update server, which is updates.paloaltonetworks.com. Now let's try to fetch the release and let's try to downgrade the firewall software version. So I am validating the download. Once the download is complete, I'll try to apply the newly downloaded software version, which is going to be 11.0.0. The task is completed and you can see the details here. Preloading into software manager, successfully loaded into software manager. You can see the status here. It is downloaded. Click on the install and that should basically take care of the downgrade. Let me try to resolve the issues that we see on screen. Expired certificate check. Anyways, this is a new firewall, so I don't have to really worry about the certificate warnings here. There are certain warnings here, for example, disk space usage that I can increase anytime because this is a virtual machine. Let's try to install that and let's see. The process is going on. I'll pause the video for some time, and once that is done, we'll try to come back, check the status. So you can see here the download is completed. Software install is also done. You can check out the status here. Software installation of version 11.0.0 successfully completed. There are certain warnings. For example, TLS version 1.3 is not supported for SSL TLS profile with the previous release of PanOS. So make sure you read the warning, and you can see here the report is also generated and completed. Now let's try to reboot the VM and check out the status. You can do that from setup, operation. You can see the option here, reboot device. Let's try to do that and apply our new firmware. Let's try to check the status of the device. Okay, it is still not up. We'll try to wait for some time. Let us try to reload the page and check if it is up. All right, it is up. You can see here the software version is 11.0.0 and you can check out the status. The last version that we were in, 12.1.2, is still there available in the disk. So that's how you downgrade the PaloAlto firewall to any of the version. My recommendation would be to always choose a stable base version after going through all the release notes, and make sure you read the warning. For example, there are times when you downgrade and the configuration that is associated with different version may not be feasible with the downgraded version. So make sure you resolve all the issues before you actually downgrade the firmware. That's all in this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. See you in the next one.